Welcome back. Guess what we're doing? We're wheeling. You know what that is? That's a Toyota. That's a Toyota we've been working on. This is the first time in 25 years that has been on a trail. We've test driven it around the block a couple times while we're fixing it. This is the first time we're taking it out. So 25 years of slumber and neglect, and it's about time to get that thing on the road. So that's what we're doing this week. Let's see how this thing runs, and we're test driving her and see how she does. Tell you what, a lot of hours of hard work. And look at that, little Henry's driving. Trying to run us over here. Look at this. Get out in the sunshine, it looks really good.
Oh, I see. And a dog.
All right, we're starting to get into a little bit of rocks, a little rocky bit. So taking it nice and slow, but it's pretty fun. The truck is running like a dream. We stopped a couple times to check stuff, just check it over. We ended up we ended up letting air out of the tires. We're running about 5 psi right now, but it's running great. Do I get some shots of it? Issue we have right now is a leaky valve stem on one of the tires, but it takes a long time. I ran this trail like 2 weeks ago. I don't remember any of it. I remember a little bit of it, a little obstacle stuff, but I don't remember a lot of it. Alright, this is the ledge I went over last week. This is new welcome. Alright, let's see how she does on the first obstacle here. Drive her a little bit.
Driver's side?
Yeah. No, you're good. Right there. Put your passenger's tire on this rock. No, I want to check the flex. turn that way? Okay, stop. Stop.
Going like putty putt putt. Putty. Dad doing something stupid again. Dad doing something stupid again. Don't doing something stupid again.
He'll get it. He'll get it. Watch.
What? Look.
Make it up that obstacle, but even with the driver mod, we learned something. We have 2 stiffest springs in the back, so that's something we'll be modifying at some point in time. But it's all about, you know, that's why we're testing, learning what we got, learning what we need to change. So it's just not, it just wasn't flexing enough to get up, and we weren't going to push it. We're not trying to break anything. We're just testing it, making sure 4-wheel drive works, making sure we don't hit our diff on the oil pan, that kind of stuff. Just taking it easy. So we're going to continue on, find another fun little dealy whopper to go up, and yeah, roll into it, give it a little bit of roll. There it is.
Nice.
All right, so out here wheeling, we ran into Outdoor Auto on the trail. You might recognize that from Dirt Lifestyle Nate's channel, and I geek out over this stuff. So we're trying that obstacle I opted out of a couple weeks ago. He's gonna spot me, I'm gonna try to do it. So let's watch him go up it, see what I can learn. A little bigger than mine.
I can't do the line that you can do. I have to tug it.
Now let's just do that with the fun size one. It's gonna be awesome. You got it, Habby.
I like this.
I love this kind of stuff.
Me too, dude. Here we go.
Way to go.
Dude, need something harder.
Way to go.
How was that, dude?
150 grand to build a fancy thing.
So here's the thing.
This is awesome.
You can pick these up for 2,500 bucks
Yep.
in pretty good shape. I just picked up a tin top automatic, just like this, in decent shape. You can get $100, so if you want to make this tracker,
Yeah.
you have $100 puck lift, a $50 pair of shocks for the back, and you have this tractor. Some 29-inch tires at about 8 psi, and you have
29-inch tires on 8 psi.
get bumpers for it.
Okay. Yeah. No, go for
You know
it.
what this
I
reminds me
have
of?
made all the bumpers.
Yeah.
These are all custom.
So I custom made the bumpers. I have black sheet metal kits that you can order from me. It's a DIY weld together. They're all laser cut, hand bends. All you need is a grinder and a welder to make them. I have front, I have rear, and it bolts in the stock location. All you have to do is cut your grill to put a winch in. That's it. We run it with air conditioning. Just has air conditioning, power steering. I built some rock sliders to try to.
Well, they work.
They work. Tested.
We just tested them.
Highlight of my day. I got the little Boo go-kart with Nate's build. They got some rad footage of me coming up this thing. I'm super stoked. I made it up, no issue. So, see what else this trail has. That was the highlight of my day, highlight of my week. So, that and the Toyota being out. I mean, it couldn't get better. This is awesome. All right, so we're heading back to the parking lot. It was a good day. That was awesome. That waterfall going up that thing, I'm super stoked about. The guys over at Outdoor Auto they're really cool. I'd go hit up their channel if you're interested. They say they do a lot of Toyota stuff. I actually don't know who they are. The build I've seen from other channels, and so I'm gonna go check out their channel, absolutely for sure. And so we're heading back. That's it for the test drive. Ran great. It's ready for trails. It's ready to go. There's some little minor stuff to fix on it, but it's always stuff to work on your project vehicle. So thanks for watching, and appreciate it. So I need to add a little bit more context to this story. My brother's the type of person who will drop everything for you and help you, and he's done so much for me over the years, and never asked for anything in return. And it was time for me to do something for him that I could do for him, and this was totally worth it. We spent so many hours in the garage. We didn't record any of it because it was me spending time with my brother. And to see him drive his Toyota, he has the biggest grin on his face that I have ever seen. He's so happy to have it. He's had the truck since 1993. It's his first vehicle, and I'm just glad that I was able to do this for him. He's the type of person who'll drop anything and to help you and never ask for anything in return. And I'm just glad I could give him something in return that meant something to him. So thanks again for watching.